At Aegis Armors, we take automotive perfection to the next level. This week, we gave this 2024 Atlas Blue Mustang GT California Special Edition a complete transformation with our top-tier paint correction, polishing, and ceramic coating services, plus the installation of an aftermarket wing. We began this with a thorough wash and surface decontamination, ensuring every inch of the Mustang surface is clean and ready for the ultimate treatment. Next, our skilled technicians performed expert paint correction, eliminating scratches, swirl marks, and other imperfections. Afterward, we polished the paint to a mirror-like finish, bringing out the Mustang's deep, vibrant color. With the paint perfected, we then installed a custom Ford aftermarket wing, adding a sleek, performance-enhancing touch to this powerhouse. Then we applied our premium ceramic coatings to the exterior paint and door jambs for an unmatched gloss and long-lasting protection. The wheels and glass also got ceramic coated with Aegis Armors products, ensuring every surface of this Mustang is shielded from the elements. To complete the look, we applied Aegis Armors' exclusive Black Widow no-sling tire gel, leaving the tires with a deep, rich finish that complements the car's overall appearance. The transformation is complete. This Atlas Blue Mustang GT now looks bolder, glossier, and more powerful than ever before, ready to turn heads wherever it goes. Be sure to check out the mirror reflection on the outside of the car in front of our graffiti-painted building at the end of the video. Aegis Armors, unleashing the power of perfection.